Learn Persian Alphabet Part 9. Letter zaal. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have another part of learning Persian alphabet pronunciation. If you haven't watched the previous parts yet, you can go and watch them, then come back here and watch this part. You can find the links in the description. So if you want to learn Persian alphabet with me, you can subscribe to the channel and follow the lessons. Okay, let's start the lesson. Letter zaal. The 11th Persian letter is named zaal and it is pronounced z, z, just like the beginning sound in the English word zoo. The form of this letter is exactly the same as the letter dal. Instead, it has a dot above. So, the form of this letter in all positions such as initial, medial, and final are the same. For example, bazr, qaza, zurrat, laziz. Please note that just like the letter dal, letter zal is also one of those 7 letters that the letters which follow them do not attach to them. Like, for example, look at these examples. Bazr, qaza, zurrat, laziz. Can you see the letter re, a means aleph, again re and ye. They didn't connect and they didn't attach to the letter zal. It's time to show you a text and you can find the form of the letter zaal and then share your answers. If you want to check your answers, you can see here. Now we're going to make a new word with the letter zaal with the alphabets that we know so far, like alif, b, p, t, s, jim, ch, h, kh, dal, zal. Okay, it's zat. Zat means essence or nature. او ذات خوبی دارد. او ذات خوبی دارد. He has a good essence or good nature. It means he's a good person or she's a good person. Let's see how to write this letter. Okay, you know what? It's your homework. You have to write this letter and this word 3 lines, and you can share your answers with me in the Telegram group chat or on the Instagram at the DM message. So I'm waiting for your homeworks, and before that, make sure to subscribe it, like the video, and write your opinions. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.